Hello my friend, I'm Sean with the Fix My Home channel. In this channel I want to show you how you can fix the problem around your home by yourself. So make sure you subscribe and push the bell button to don't miss anything. So let's talk about the urinal. It's not working. So as I flush it, it's not working. The first thing you have to check, they have a valve here, shut-off valve. You want to make sure the valve is open. So as you can see, this is the valve. So the left is open, the right is going to be closed. So the is open and still we don't have water. So and I checked the main valve, so that's open. So probably the problem is in diaphragm. So I'm going to open this and I'll show you the next step. First thing, you want to make sure to shut the water off before you open, and you want to make sure 100% you don't have water. So as you can see, I got wet because I didn't check it. So but you check it, make sure that's closed. All right, I got all wet. I took the part out because I don't want to make the pressure order on the pipe. I took it out and I unscrew it here, the cap. So I use the wrench. I'm going to use the wrench here and I hold it to unscrew the cap. So already I make it loose. Just have to unscrew it. There you go. So this is the diaphragm, as you can see, and that diaphragm is bad, so I have to replace that. I'm going to take this part out. This is the diaphragm. I took it out. So I'm gonna put the new diaphragm and I will show you. Let me start. I took off the diaphragm, and under the diaphragm is the vacuum breaker. You call this vacuum breaker. And when you replace the diaphragm, replace this one too, because probably this one is bad too. You see? It's bad. So make sure you replace both. Okay, this is the part I'm gonna use. Make sure you say urinal drop in kit. So because we have for toilet and urinal, so make sure it's a urinal. All right, let me put it back. Okay, this is the vacuum breaker for the urinal. So I'm gonna put the vacuum breaker here, and I place the diaphragm and I put everything together. Okay, I put the vacuum breaker back. Make sure it has a washer. So put the washer exactly on the top, and after that I replace the diaphragm, and I'm gonna put the diaphragm here like that. And I put the handle back, everything back, and should be good. Alright, I put everything together and I turn the water a little on, so I test it. The water is coming. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like, subscribe my channel and push the like button, and I will show you how to fix the problem around your home in this channel. Have a great day.